Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to draw copy isometric of this sum. First we will draw plus, then we'll draw 30 degree. We'll take this 61, 55 plus 6, height is 85 and this is 72. So first we will draw layout. See, after drawing this layout, we'll start with this part, 55. Then if you see this, right? So for that, height is how much? 20. So we'll take 20. After that, we'll mark 22, 28. Then we'll go down by 20. Then we have to go inside by 6. See, after this, this is inside by 25. And 6. So I'll mark 25 and 6. See this, so we'll get this T shape. Then we'll draw that slope. Now for behind, this is inside by 6, right? So I can extend from here and extend from here. I will get automatically 6. Then from that point I can join this. Now we have to go up by 34. Now we take midpoint of this and take 17, 17 on both the sides. So half of 72 would be 36. And then you take 17, 17 on both the sides. So you'll get a rhombus of size 34. After that, this part. So it is how much inside? 15. You go behind by 15. 15. This is also a rectangle. So we'll go up from here and we'll complete the box. See, whenever you have a circular object, first you try and draw a rhombus and then you go for circle. So I guess layout is almost done. Structure. Now we need to draw a circle. Radius 12. So rhombus would be of size 24. So you take 24, 24. Draw a parallel line. So you'll get a rhombus. Then you draw longest diagonal. Then you take midpoint, 12, 12. Here also we'll mark 12. Then we'll join midpoint with the opposite corner. See, I'm doing simultaneously because both the sides it is same, radius 12. You can mark this point as 1. This is 2. This is 3. 4. So 1 to M. You can draw arc. This we don't require, but required 3 to M. 3 to M, and we can draw one arc. After that, we'll draw this line. Then the same curve is behind. So how much you have to go behind? 15. So we'll take point 1 and point 3 behind by 15 and we'll draw tangent. So you take 15 mm. 15 mm from 1 and 3. See this. Take this radius and draw it behind. Now many a times what happens? You will feel that there is slight error, working error. So what you can do, you can take this width, whatever you have in your compass, and mark that. There is a possibility that there will be a 1 mm error, 2 mm error. So whenever you come across such kind of thing, make sure that you transfer the width, whatever the actual width is there, you take that. See this, take this width and you cut it over there. It should be same, but at times if it goes wrong, that time you can do this. Take the radius, go behind, draw it again. It's called copy paste method. See this, you are doing copy, go behind and paste. Now this circle, diameter is 34. So you draw longest diagonal. This is, let's say, 0.56 mm, 5 to m. Now from 5 to this radius m, this we don't require. We require the lower circle. So from 6 we will draw arc. See this. This is 0.7. From 7 to m, we can draw arc. This will be dark. Now we'll take this point behind by 15. Now we need to draw behind circle. Now this part. Now how much you have to go behind? 15, right? So from 5 we'll go behind by 15. This is point number 8. We'll take point 8 also behind by 15. Or we can draw rhombus also. So see, I'm taking the width, so that's faster. 5 dash, 8 dash. Take this radius, go behind by 15 or to 5 dash and draw arc. Same way from 8. This radius, right? So you go behind, this is m, so 8 to m, so 8 dash, we can draw the same radius. See, now after that we need to draw that polo circle. If you see that polo circle is how much behind? 30. So from this point 6 we'll go behind by 30 because width is 30. Take this radius, go behind by 30 and draw arc. After that you draw length, width and height, write origin and 30 degree and draw axis. Thank you.